Time to go to Hässleholms Military Museum. Meet the boys. Magnus had traveled nearly 8 hours to get to the meet. Here he is showing a blueprint and some tracks for the bandkanon or BBQ in 1:6 scale. Alright, so this turned out to be a wonderful evening, but I think we have to enjoy it while it lasts, because tomorrow it's going to be rain and quite a lot, unfortunately. But right now, it's wonderful, and I think the grill will be started any moment. We have some friends from Germany here today as well. That is extra fun. They have brought some awesome models. And it's so great to see Magnus from the northern part of Sweden and his wonderful Hetzer that he has been working with for quite some time now. While we waited for the barbecue to start, we sat in the evening sun and had a look at some of Sten's track links that he made for his 1/5 scale S-tank. As with everything Sten does, it's well thought out and of highest quality and workmanship. He did cast one of the tracks, but ended up machining the rest of the track links.
Okay. And that makes them, here's a test piece I made. Eh?
So take them apart again.
So it's like this.
Okay, yeah.
Then I have to draw that out. But I make them torsion stiff. If you don't have that, the entire track is very soft.
It's only the pins that hold them together. You don't have any connection between here and here. It's just outside here. So
and this one in the middle.
Oh yeah.
How many track links per side?
It's 61.
60.
So it's not that much.
Yeah, but still. 61 of these.
I don't know, Leopard is another 50 or 40 or something.
Leopard,
Martin and I then took a stroll around the yard to look at some of the vehicles outside. For our viewers, this is the PBV 301. It's built on the Czechoslovakian chassis, the same as the Hetzer, Panzer 38T. Yes. It's a bit stiff.
It's a bit stiff.
Solid. So here's the real
big one.
Yeah, this is the M39. So this is the second version of the Landsverk L60.
It's not a big tank, is it?
No, it's not. So this is the same as the M38 and the M40. I think it's a very cute little tank.
Do we know anyone who has this in 1:6 scale, 1:10 scale? What is it?
1:6 scale. Yes, we do.
Small. I thought it was 1:8 scale. But when I see this, it's tiny. I guess this is okay. These are the tracks for the M39.
I mean, they are...
Look at how small they are.
Yeah, they are not even twice the size of your hand.
No. It's my hand and...
It's so small. It's tiny.
Yeah. How much does it weigh? You know that?
I think 8 tons. Something like that. It's not much.
It's a small truck.
Yeah. So actually, this was used on the Eastern Front in the shape of the Hungarian Toldi. So Hungary manufactured these.
So Konrad von Hötzendorf has seen one of those?
Yes, correct. No, that is so cool. So this was, as a Toldi, used on the Eastern Front by the Hungarians and the Germans.
Okay.
So it has seen, I mean the Swedish version hasn't, but the Hungarian version has seen action in real life. That's unbelievable.
This is cool. This is 6 tracks.
Yeah, it's a good exercise. There you go. When we got back, the barbecue was ready and we had a nice evening meal. As the sun set over the museum and the evening came closer, we decided to take our models out for a spin. Since Martin had left his radio on the engine deck of the Cromwell, I used the Centurion's long gun barrel to drive Martin's model. Talk about meta! I also used the stick to turn the Cromwell, which almost ended in disaster. Martin just ran into a wall with his Cromwell. Magnus brought his wonderful fully 3D printed headset that run really well. As an experienced model builder, he made a beautiful job with the paint and the details. The next day we had a great breakfast, courtesy of the museum staff, after which we prepared our models before the visitors arrived. The M40 was also started up and moved to the yard. This tank is from 1940, which you sort of can hear. Ja. Hans demonstrated his incredible bandvagn 206 in 1/4 scale, complete with working air pressurized mortar in the rear compartment. Martin had brought his fully 3D printed KV2, an upscaled 1/10 model. It has reinforced suspension and suspension arms, but other than that, surprisingly much is just as it was designed on the smaller scale model. After the group photo, we made good use of the terrain outside the museum. The loud noise you can hear is Sten's gas turbine-driven S-tank in 1/5 scale.
From World of Tanks.
Yeah.
I got some tanks from the Tiger.
Ja, jag bought a boat.
My friend hadn't seen that, so it drove with its stuck over the bucket. That's why it's so bent.
So crushed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We managed to miss the engine demonstration, and the Merlin V12 didn't want to cooperate when we were there in the afternoon, but another engine that was just as loud was the gas turbine engine in Sten's magnificent S-Tank. This year, Sten has upgraded the powertrain, making the model running better, faster and smoother than ever before. An incredible show and a fantastic model. The engineering is nothing less than remarkable. It even has a function for throwing out empty cases, like the real one. All in all, we had a great day at Hässleholms Military Museum, especially since we could count our friends from Germany and Denmark among us. Don't forget to check out the latest episode of RC Tank Talk podcast, where Martin and I are getting a ride in the M40 tank. Thank you so much for watching, take care, until next time.